Hi, happy Monday. It's going to be a splice together, a couple of things going on here. Kind of wanted to touch base on Friday to start with. I'm going to pull up what Friday looked like on your Google Classroom page. There were 5 tabs listed there. I know it looks a little bit different on the teacher side, but I do want to go through it because I think it should have been pretty easy to get things done. And only a third of the class actually did the assignment that was left, which is frustrating because I feel like we have a good rapport going and a good classroom management style going. There are going to be times where I'm off campus for a variety of reasons, whether I'm sick or my kid is sick, or I'm at a conference like I was on Friday, and I expect things to still keep moving in the same fashion. I'm not moving the quiz based on that behavior or that lack of work ethic. We'll take a look at what was supposed to be done there, as well as taking a look at the assignment we have for today. It's cheat day. Calling it that on purpose. I'll explain that a little more in the next section of the video when I go through what we're doing today. So I just kind of wanted to touch base on that. I'm going to go through what you were supposed to do on Friday to clarify things there. Some of you I know still had some questions about CER, and I'm going to add those videos as well, the ones that we used initially to go through our CER stuff, so it should be a lot clearer for you, as well as today's activity, which actually touches on any missing or makeup work that you need to do. Quiz is going to be on Wednesday. There is a study guide posted on Google Classroom. I'm going to print out paper copies of it as well. So I'm going to switch to the second part of this, where I'm actually looking at the computer screen, reviewing some things there. If any of you are surprised by these, it tells me you didn't watch the video on Friday. I realize some people probably were absent, but did kind of touch base on that part of things there. So I'm going to switch gears, start showing the computer screen, so you can see a little gap here in the video. All right, so Friday's assignment you can see looks like this. You had your intro right here. 2 minutes, should have been pretty easy. You're doing these energy flow notes. This is the explanation of those notes. All you had to do was watch the video. You can watch it on your computer, your own timing, that kind of thing. Comes right up. Boom, right there. Here's your digital vlog. Okay, so you let it play. You can pause it. I know sometimes these things get in the way. You can X that out. So then you can just kind of let it play to where you need it. Pause it as needed and fill in the information on your assignment sheet right there. So that's what that would look like. That should have been a pretty easy thing for you to be able to accomplish. So there shouldn't have been anybody who didn't get that done. That's the energy flow notes right here. And then energy transfers and transformations. Just read the article and then write a CER. You guys should be pretty familiar with CER, especially here by 8th grade. So that is what the assignment was there on Friday. Let's take a look back. In every class, this looks the same. I know this is first hour. You can see here, today's activity is cheat day. Cheat day, HyperDoc. Everything is in here. It should be self-directed. I just want to do a quick review. It's multicolored on purpose. Missing work and enrichment activity, aka cheat day. It's a hyperdoc, which means all of this stuff that's blue text is hyperlinked to where you can find what you need to do. So I can catch up on missing work. Scrolling down, if it goes on the omelet grade, use this checklist to help you out. If everything's caught up, here's what to do. And then if you need more, boom, here's some more stuff. You say I got on Discovery Ed. So everything should be all set for you. This should be fairly self-directed. I'll be walking around answering questions as needed, trying to make sure everybody is caught up. And again, your quiz is going to be on Wednesday. We're going to do a review day tomorrow. So that is everything I have for you. This is one of the things, this HyperDoc thing is one of the things that I learned on Friday. I do try to apply those skills immediately, as well as whatever these are called. I forget now. So that's me as like an emoji. And so they're all me. It was also one of the things that I learned. So trying to add the stuff in immediately, because our motto down at Illinois State is gladly we learn and teach. I went and learned. Now I'm applying it to my teaching. Hopefully we get a lot done today on cheat day. Enjoy.